Today is Thursday, and we are going to talk about characters in the book. Okay, so when we read a book, we know that knowing the characters can help us understand what the story is about. We can also get to know the characters by thinking about how they look and the things that they do and say. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the character of Skunk in The Easter Bunny's Assistant. Okay, so hopefully you got a chance to listen to the story on the YouTube video that I posted. And now I would like you to write about it. So take out your writing prompt for day 4. And I'm going to go through and show you my writing, and then you guys can work on your page. You can either use mine as a reference to copy, or you can go ahead and write your own thing. So I just told you that we can learn a lot about a character by the way they look and how they act and what they say. So what do you know about Skunk? Draw a picture to match. So the first question our writing prompt asks is, how does Skunk look? Well, I said that Skunk looks nice. And I drew a picture of Skunk right here, and he's just looking happy. He's got a big smile on his face, and he's got his arms up, and he's just he just looks like a nice skunk. So I wrote, Skunk looks nice. You may think that he looks different, so you could write a different sentence, or you could use mine. The next one asks, how does Skunk act? Well, Skunk acts excited, and I drew a picture of Skunk with his hands over his mouth, super excited, like he just can't wait to see what happens next. Okay, so you can either copy my sentence or write your own. The last question says, what does Skunk say? And Skunk says, I love decorating eggs. It's so, and we know what happens when he says exciting, don't we? So go ahead and work on your writing. Again, if you want to use my example, you can pause the video and just copy the sentences I wrote. Make sure that you draw great pictures. If you'd like, you can take a picture of your work and send it to me. I'd love to see your work. Take care. Happy writing.